Was there a bid to sabotage a train service in Uttar Pradesh? It's been foiled successfully. A train sabotage bid foiled in UP's Hardoi, we are told. There were wooden blocks tied on the train track that was found. Look at that. Just imagine the kind of accident this could have led to. This does not look by mistake, a coincidence. Massive rod, so to say, these are wooden blocks, I'm told, and that were found randomly on the track. How is it possible? It was only because of the alert loco pilot who managed to notice it just in time, we are told, and saving hundreds of lives. Look at that. All right, look at that visual closely on your screen. The train stops so close to this wooden block. So it's not like someone else has been able to notice in time. The train was en route. And barely few meters, I think this is about 100 to 200 meters, if not more, that the loco pilot managed to see something amiss. Remember, slight derail could have led to a massive train accident. Samarth Srivastava joins me for the latest on that. Samarth, hats off to the loco pilot who managed to just stop it in time. But tell me, what happened? I'm sure the investigation is on in this case. What are you picking up? Samarth, if you can hear me. All right, I'll go back to Samarth in just a short while. Let's look at this visual. Remember, so you can see wooden blocks, and there have been instances earlier that they have been noticed in time and removed, but so close. The train is right there. It's the loco pilot who noticed something is amiss, stopped in time, and I think it barely looks like about 100 meters. Just imagine if there would have been any sort of derailment incident. We've seen the kind of casualties it can lead to. So incredible work done by the loco pilot of the train. This was in Hardoi. We'll try and get more clarity. Which train was it? This was a Rajdhani. All right, I have a confirmation on that it was a Rajdhani. There was another express as well. We'll try and get more clarity on this. Samarth will be joining us in just a short while, but hundreds of lives saved. But of course, it needs investigation. What part of Hardoi is this? How can randomly wooden blocks be seen on the train tracks? Was there any sort of a natural phenomenon? Was it a storm? Or was it, of course, some possibly a mischievous element? We'll be tracking more on that. But for now, one incident averted.